Dear friends, in last class and previous classes we shall discussed about integral of the types, that is integral of dx dividing by ax square plus bx plus c, and next type integral of dx dividing by root of ax square plus bx plus c, and one more type integral of px plus q dividing by ax square plus bx plus c into dx. So these three integral of the types in last class and previous class discussed. In today's class we shall discuss about to find the integral of the type, that is integral of px plus q dividing by root of ax square plus bx plus c into dx. This is the last type of integral. So now example 1, find the integral of x plus 3 dividing by root of 5 minus 4x minus x square into dx. So this is of the form px, integral of px plus q. Here p is 1 and q is 3, dividing by root of 5 minus 4x minus x square. Here a is minus 1, b is minus 4 and c is plus 5. Find the integral of this function. So let numerator equals a into derivative of, that means d by dx of denominator plus b, where a and b are constants. Find a and b. What is numerator? That is x plus 3 equals a d by dx of, what is denominator? 5, don't take root, 5 minus 4x minus x square plus b. Therefore x plus 3 equals a into d by dx of 5 is a constant 0 minus 4x 4 minus x square is minus 2x plus b. Therefore x plus 3 equals a into minus 2x minus 4 plus b. Now equating the coefficients of x and the constant terms from both sides. Coefficient of x is 1 equals minus 2 into a. Therefore a equals minus 1 divided by 2. The next constant terms, left hand side constant is 3 and right hand side minus 4 into a plus equals minus into minus plus 2 ones are 2 twos are plus b. Therefore b equals 3 minus 2 is 1. B is 1 and a is minus 1 by 2. So therefore substitute in this equation x plus 3 equals, what is a, minus 1 divided by 2 into minus 2x minus 4 plus b is 1. So therefore taking integral x plus 3 dividing by root of 5 minus 4x minus x square into dx equals minus 1 divided by 2, take outside constant, integral of minus 2x minus 4 dividing by root of 5 minus 4x minus x square into dx plus integral of 1 dividing by root of 5 minus 4x minus x square into dx, that is equal to minus 1 by 2, called as this integral term is I1 plus, so called as this integral term is I2. So now called as equation number 1. The next, in I1 put 5 minus 4x minus x square equals t. Differentiate with respect to x, minus 4 minus 2x is equal to dt by dx. Therefore minus 2x minus 4 into dx is equal to dt. So substitute in I1, therefore I1 is equal to, what is I1? Integral of dt dividing by square root of t. Therefore I1 is equal to integral of dt by root t is 2 into root t plus c1. Therefore I1 is equal to 2 into, what is t? 5 minus 4x minus x square plus c1. So called as equation number 2. The next find I2 and in I2 second integral term, it is 5 minus 4x minus x square is equal to minus x square minus 4x plus 5. That is equal to minus common x square plus 4x minus 5. So equals minus of x square plus 2 into x into 2 plus 2 square minus 2 square minus 5. equals minus of x square plus 2x into 2 plus 2 square, that is x plus 2 whole square, minus 2 square is minus 4, minus 5 is minus 9, that is equal to plus 9 minus of x plus 2 whole square, 3 square, 9 can be written as 3 square minus of x plus 2 whole square. So substitute in high 2, therefore high 2 is equal to integral of 1 divided by root of 3 square minus of x plus 2 whole square into dx. That is high 2 is equal to, what is the form of this? 1 divided by root of a square minus x square, that is formula sine inverse of x plus 2 dividing by 3 plus c2, so call it as equation number 3. Substitute 2 and 3 in 1. Substitute equation 2 and 3 in 1. So what is equation number 1? That is, therefore in left hand side, integral of x plus 3 dividing by root of 5 minus 4x minus x square into dx is equal to minus 1 divided by 2 into I1 is 2 into root of 5 minus 4x minus x square plus c1. What is I2? Plus sine inverse of I2 is sine inverse of x plus 2 dividing by 3 plus c2. Therefore integral of x plus 3 dividing by root of 5 minus 4x minus x square into dx is equal to 2 cancellation minus root of 5 minus 4x minus x square plus sine inverse of x plus 2 dividing by 3 plus c. The next example, find the integral of example 2, integral of 4x plus 1 dividing by root of 2x square plus 2x square plus x minus 3. Find the integral of this term. Solution: that is numerator equals a into d by dx of denominator plus b. Again one more time, here a and b are constants. Find a and b. What is numerator? 4x plus 1 equals a d by dx of denominator is 2x square plus x minus 3 plus b. Therefore 4x plus 1 equals a into d by dx of 2x square is 4x plus d by dx of x is 1 minus d by dx of 3 constant 0 plus b. Therefore 4x plus 1 equals a into 4x plus 1 plus b. Now equating the coefficient of x and constant terms from both sides. Coefficient of x is left hand side is 4, right hand side is 4a. Therefore a equals 4 by 4. Therefore a equals 1. A constant value 1 and constant terms in left hand side 1, right hand side a plus b. 1, what is a? 1 plus b. Therefore b equal to 1 minus 1. Therefore b equal to 0. Substitute a is 1 and b is 0 in the above equation. Therefore 4x plus 1 equals a 1 into 4x plus 1 plus b is 0. Therefore 4x plus 1 equals 4x plus 1. Therefore integral of 4x plus 1 dividing by root of 2x square plus x minus 3 into dx equals integral of 4x plus 1 dividing by 2x square plus x minus 3 into dx plus 0 into any term becomes that is 0. So now here in right hand side to get only one term, put 2x square plus x minus 3 is equal to 0. Differentiate with respect to x. 4x plus 1 minus 0 equals dt divided by dx. Therefore 4x plus 1 into dx is equal to dt. Substitute in given integral. Therefore integral of 4x plus 1 dividing by root of 2x square plus x minus 3 into dx is equal to integral of 4x plus 1 into dx is dt dividing by root of t. 1 by root t is 2 into root t plus c. 2 into what is t? T is 2x square plus x minus 3 plus c. The next example, so now example 3. Integral of x plus 2 dividing by square root of x square minus 1 into dx. Here also numerator equals a into d by dx of denominator plus b. Numerator is x plus 2 equals, what is write as it is, d by dx of what is denominator, x square minus 1 plus b. Therefore x plus 2 equals a into d by dx of x square is 2x minus 1 constant 0 plus b. Therefore x plus 2 is equal to a into 2x plus b. Now equating the coefficient of x and the constant terms from both sides. First coefficient of x, left hand side is 1, right hand side 2a. Therefore a equals 1 divided by 2. And constant term 2 equals b. Therefore b equals 2. A is 1 by 2 and b is 2. Substitute in the above equation. Therefore x plus 2 is equal to a is 1 by 2 into 2x plus b is 2. So therefore x plus 2 is equal to 2 gets cancellation, x plus 2. Therefore integral of x plus 2 dividing by root of x square minus 1 into dx is equal to integral of x dividing by root of x square minus 1 into dx plus integral of, take outside 2, integral of 1 dividing by root of x square minus 1 into dx. That is equal to first integral term called as I1 plus 2 into, so called as I2, so called as equation number 1. The next, in I1, in first integral term, put x square minus 1 is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. 2x minus 0 is equal to dt by dx. Therefore 2x into dx is equal to dt. Therefore, x into dx is equal to dt divided by 2. Substitute in first integral term. Therefore, I1 is equal to integral of x into dx is dt divided by 2 dividing by root of t. Therefore, I1 is equal to 1 by 2 integral of dt divided by root t. Therefore, I1 is equal to 1 by 2 into integral of dt by root t is 2 into root t plus c1. 2 gets cancellation. I1 is equal to root t plus c1. Therefore, I1 is equal to, what is t? T is x square minus 1 plus c1. So, called as equation number 2. And in I2 that is integral of 1 divided by root of x square minus 1 into dx. Therefore, we can write directly formula 1 divided by root of x square minus a square. That is, 1 divided by 2a, 2 into 1 into log of mod x minus 1 dividing by x plus 1 plus c2. Therefore, I2 is equal to 1 divided by 2 into log of mod x minus 1 by x plus 2 plus c2. So, called as equation number 3. Substitute 2 and 3 in 1. Substitute equations 2 and 3 in 1. Therefore, integral of x minus x plus 2 dividing by root of x square minus 1 into dx. What is I1? Root of x square minus 1 plus c1 plus 2 into, what is I2? 1 divided by 2 into log of mod x minus 1 divided by x plus 1 plus c2. Therefore, integral of x plus 2 dividing by root of x square minus 1 into dx is equal to square root of x square minus 1 plus 2 gets cancellation. So, log of mod x minus 1 by x plus 1 plus c. So, here 1 divided by root, mistake one here, it is 1 divided by root of, that is I2 is equal to, so log of x minus root of x square minus 1 plus c2. So, called as equation number 3. Substitute 2 and 3 in 1. That is, I1 is root of x square minus 1 plus c1. Height 2 is plus 2 into log of mod x plus root of x square minus 1 plus c2. Therefore, integral of x plus 2 by root of x square minus 1 into dx is root of x square minus 1 plus 2 into log of mod x plus root of x square minus 1 plus c is the answer. The next one more example. Find the integral of 6x plus 7 dividing by x minus 5 into x minus 4 into dx. Here also let numerator equals a into d by dx of denominator plus b. Therefore, numerator, what is numerator? Numerator is 6x plus 7 equals a d by dx of, what is denominator? X minus 5 into x minus 4 plus b. Therefore, 6x plus 7 equals a into d by dx of x minus 5 into x minus 4, product of binomial terms, we get x square minus 9x plus 20 plus b. Therefore, 6x plus 7 equals a into d by dx of x square is 2x minus d by dx of 9x is minus 9 plus d by dx of 20 constant 0 plus b. Equating the coefficient of x and the constant terms from both the sides. Coefficient of x is left hand side 6 is equal to right hand side 2 into a. Therefore, a equal to 6 divided by 2. Therefore, a equal to 3. And constant term in left hand side 7 equals minus 9a plus b. 7 equals minus 9 into 3 plus b. Therefore, b equals 7 plus 27. Therefore, b equal to 34. A is 3 and b is 34. Substitute in the above equation. 6x plus 7 equals, what is a? A is 3 into 2x minus 9 plus b is 34. Taking integral on both sides, integral of 6x plus 7 dividing by root of x square minus 9x plus 20 into dx equals 3 into integral of 2x minus 9 dividing by root of x square minus 9x plus 20 into dx plus 34 into integral of 1 divided by root of x square minus 9x plus 20 into dx. That is equal to 3 into, so called as first integral term is I1 plus 34 into I2, so called as equation number 1. In I1 put x square minus 9x plus 20 equal to t. Differentiate respect to x. X square is 2x minus 9x is 9 minus 9 plus 20 is 0 equal dt divided by dx. Therefore 2x minus 9 into dx is equal to dt. Substitute in I1, therefore I1 first integral term is dt dividing by root t. Therefore I1 is equal to 2 root t plus c1. Therefore I1 is equal to 2 into root of x square minus 9x plus 20 plus c1, so called as equation number 2. And in I2 x square minus 9x plus 20 is equal to x square minus 2 into x into 9 by 2 plus 9 by 2 whole square minus 9 by 2 whole square plus 20. Say equals x square minus 2x into 9 by 2 plus 9 by 2 whole square can be written as x minus 9 by 2 whole square minus 81 divided by 4 plus 20. It is equal to x minus 9 by 2 whole square minus LCM is 4, so 81 minus 80 is 1. It is equals x minus 9 by 2 whole square 1 by 4 can be written as 1 by 2 whole square. Substitute in I2, therefore I2 is equal to integral of 1 dividing by square root of x minus 9 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 2 whole square into dx. Therefore I2 is equal to, this is of the form 1 divided by root of x square minus a square, that is equal to log of mod x minus 9 by 2 plus root of x minus 9 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 2 whole square plus c2. Therefore I2 is equal to, say, log of mod x minus 9 by 2 plus root of x minus 9 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 2 whole square can be written as root of plus 20 plus C2. So call it as equation number 3. Substitute 2 and 3 equations in one. That is, therefore, integral of 6x plus 7 dividing by root of x minus 5 into x minus 4 into dx is equal to, what is equation number 1? That is equation number 1, 6 into, that is 2 into 3, that is I1 equation, 3 into 2 into root of x square minus 9x plus 20 plus C1 plus 34 into log of mod x minus 9 by 2 plus root of x square minus 9x plus 20 plus C2. That is equal to 3 2s are 6 into root of x square minus 9x plus 20 plus 34 into log of mod x minus 9 by 2 plus root of x square minus 5 minus 9x plus 20 plus C. Okay students, stop here. So we'll continue next class.